Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to check if RAM is running at the right speed, step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech guides. Step 1. First, open Task Manager. To do this, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Step 2. Once the Task Manager is open, click on the Performance tab. This tab provides detailed information about your system's performance. Step 3. In the Performance tab, look for Memory on the left-hand side and click it. Here, you'll find your current RAM speed displayed under the section labeled Speed. Step 4. Next, compare this speed with the specifications of your RAM. You can find these details on the packaging of your RAM module or the manufacturer's website. Finally, if you notice a mismatch, you may need to adjust the settings in your BIOS or UEFI. Restart your computer, access the BIOS by pressing the designated key during boot up, such as F2 or delete, and ensure the RAM speed matches the rated speed. Often, this can be done by enabling the XMP profile. And that's it! By following these steps, you can confirm your RAM is performing at its intended speed. Thanks for watching.